Let me show you how to solve this exponential equation that we have on the board. Our goal is to find the value of x in x raised to the power of x equals to 26. Before we start the solution, let us determine where x lies, okay? We are having x raised to the power of x. That means that the value of x is the same for both the base and the exponent. You understand? Okay. So let's say x is 1. 1 raised to the power of 1 is equals to 1. And you can see that 1 is less than what? 26. So this cannot be the value of x. What of 2? 2 raised to the power of 2 equals to 4. 4 is also less than 26. So this cannot be. What of 3? 3 raised to the power of 3 equals to 27. This is greater than 26. So that means our values, the value of x lies between 2 and 3. Are you getting it? This is where the value of x lies. So let us approach the question. First, take the ln of both sides. We have x raised to the power of x equals to 26. Taking the ln of both sides, we're going to have ln x raised to the power of x equals to ln 26, right? The next step, x ln x equals to ln 26. Recall that if you have a ln of a, this is equals to what? A. So if you have in ln of x, this also equals to what? X. Are you following? So I'm going to replace the value of x as a ln x. So I'm going to have e raised to the power of ln of x multiplied by ln of x equals to ln 26. Okay. So I'm going to have ln x equals to ln of 26. Are you following? Now listen. Take the Lambert W function of both sides. We're going to have w ln of x to the power of ln of x equals to ln 26. Okay, now recall that if you have the Lambert W function of a raised to the power of e, this is equals to what? E. Now we are having the Lambert W function of ln x in ln x. This will be equals to ln x. Are you getting it? This will be equals to ln 26. Now, ln x is log x base e. This will be equals to 26, right? So x will be equals to the power of the Lambert W function of ln 26. Now, if you use Wolfram alpha, are you getting it? X will be equals to 2.981990729198. This is the value of x. Are you getting it? So you see, there are some calculators that can operate this. Not all calculators, you understand. So, but if you can get to this point, you are almost done. So this, anytime you encounter this kind of equation, just approach it like this. Okay. Now try this by yourself. If you have x raised to the power of x equals to 25, what will be your answer? Tell me your answer in the comment section. Okay. See you in the next class.